Yep.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. When I open this ABCD book.
Yeah guys, so we got this amazing learning kit from Amazon. I will post the link below. It comes with magnetic letters and numbers. It has 52 uppercase letters, 130 lowercase letters, and 17 numbers and mathematic symbols. This also includes a magnetic erasable board that comes with 2 markers and an eraser.
Okay, let's get started. Hello guys.
So it comes with the board.
This comes with board.
And it has a stand. And all these letters. Let's open it. Wow. Look, it has all these alphabets are in its own section, and all these numbers are right here. What do you want to make?
Let's write my name, guys.
Yeah, let's write your name. How do you spell it?
Guys, let's do this one.
Yeah, R A. Where's A?
A
R A.
Y
Oh. Y. Another Y. Good job. Y and then A. Good job. And an N. Where's N?
right here.
And then now you can put the N. Good job. What does that spell? Rayyan. R-A-Y-Y-A-N. How old are you? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
Good job. Let's put these numbers in order. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, where's 1?
This one.
Good job. Where's 2?
This one.
Good job. Yep. 3, 4, 5. Where's 6? Good job. 7. What's that?
2.
8.
8.
Where's 9? Good job. And 10. 10 has 2 numbers, huh? 1 and a 0. Yep. Good job. High five!
I made all numbers.
Yes, we made the numbers. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yep.
6,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8,
No. 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10.
Good job. Try out these markers. That's the eraser. And there are 2 markers.
Yeah.
Take off the letters first.
Okay.
Or we could flip it. Look. Ta-da!
Wow.
Guys, now we're gonna play a game. So Jan has to circle whatever I say. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Circle the letter B. Good job. Circle the letter A. No, where's A? Yep. Now circle the letter C. Good job. Now erase it. And let's try again.
First this off.
Yep. Oh, it's easier like this. Circle the letter B. Where's B? Yeah. Good job. Circle the letter C.
Yeah.
C. Yep. Now circle the letter A. Good job. Very good.
I finally got it.
You finally got it. ABC song for me?
E B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. X Y Y Z.
Good job. That is really good. How about the 1, 2, 3s? Do you know? Do you know your 1, 2, 3s?
Yeah.
Can you count it for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
15?
16.
That's all he knows, guys. That's pretty good. High five.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.